I think I now remember the English version. It just came to my mind. How firm a foundation, ye saints of the Lord, is laid for your faith. It is excellent word. What's more can he say than to you he has said? You unto Jesus for mercy shall call, even down to old age. All my people shall prove, I will not forget you. I can't just run away from this power inside of my heart that's bringing all these songs that I've not sung in about 30 years. Yes, I've been married for 25 years, and before then I barely participated in music like that. I used to be a choir and orchestra of AFM. And this is the song that come to mind as I was trying to walk back home. Ìfẹ́ tó fi hàn kò jẹ́ kí n rò pé yóò fi mí sílẹ̀ nínú wàhálà. Kì í ṣe máa gbàdúrà òun ó ṣèrànwọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ Kristi wà lọ́dọ̀ mi, ìfòyà kò sí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ Kristi wà lọ́dọ̀ mi, ìfòyà kò sí. The fear and anxiety that comes with this season of my life is so much that at the beginning I thought I wouldn't even pray. I thought I won't even do anything related to my Christian beliefs or religion. But guess what? I've never been through this journey before. I have never navigated grief before, even though I lost my father a couple years ago. But the feeling of that loss is different from the loss of a spouse. The loss of my spouse shook me to the core. It shook me to the core. I didn't want nothing to do with religion. I did not want anything to do with that name. Why? I trusted him so much. We eat healthy. We live a healthy life. And yet, why the sudden death? So I thought I would never say that name again. I thought I would never sing all these songs again. But you know what? The songs kept coming gradually. And at a point I remember I was even looking for a church because there's no such church close to me. So I was beginning to ask people if they know a church that plays or sings any of this music, because I was looking for something to comfort my soul. But then the universe, in its power, majestic power is flooding my soul with these songs. And my goal, as I've been telling you, is to drop them here for many others who might be needing these songs for comfort, for healing. I implore you, interact with my playlist. I have a song playlist where you can play all my songs. I have another playlist for all my violin music playing. I play the violin. Interact with it. Please comment. Please engage with this so that you can continue to receive notifications and see my videos show up on your feed. Ìfẹ́ tó fi hàn kò jẹ́ kí n rò pé yóò fi mí sílẹ̀ nínú wàhálà. Kì í ṣe máa gbàdúrà òun ó ṣèrànwọ́. Gba Kristi wá lọ́dọ̀ mi, ìfòyà kò sí. Gba Kristi wá lọ́dọ̀ mi, ìfòyà kò sí. I'm telling you, when I thought that he has done me dirty, he has done me bad, my anxiety tripled. It was like at 100%, even more than that. My anxiety grew. I couldn't fathom what my life was. I was beginning to be anxious, fearful, stressed. But when I started leaning into that whisper within me, then I started feeling that His presence alone is the one that can help me on this journey. That is why, I don't know what prompted this song just popped in my head as I was walking back home. That the love He showed into me is helping me to navigate through. The love He's showing to me is helping me to find a way around my hurts. Ìfẹ́ tó fi hàn kò jẹ́ kí n rò pé. Sorry, I have allergies. That's why I'm itchy. Kò jẹ́ kí n rò pé yóò fi mí sílẹ̀ nínú wàhálà. Kì í ṣe máa gbàdúrà. Many times I cannot even pray. I just lay there. With my heavy heart, not able to say a word. But you know what I found? He hears the unspoken words. He can hear the unspoken words. Kì í ṣe máa gbàdúrà, òun ó ṣèrànwọ́. Helpers did flee. Even pastors, they flee. They want me to be at their mercies. They want me to call them. They want me to be begging them. But the helper of the helpless continue to show up. Òun ó ṣèrànwọ́. Gba Kristi wá lọ́dọ̀ mi. Mo rò pé kò sí lọ́dọ̀ mi. mo rò pé ó kórìíra mi ni. Me, you understand? Before now, death is part of life. I did not understand it. That death is part of life. Now I'm beginning to understand it. That it is part of life. So, Christ wà lọ́dọ̀ mi. When Christ is with me, there's no more fear. There's no more fear. There's no more fear. There's no more fear. Gba Christ wà lọ́dọ̀ mi, ìfòyà kò sí. Gba Christ wà lọ́dọ̀ mi, ìfòyà kò sí. I'm not preaching Christ to you. Nobody can preach Christ to anyone. And I'm not telling you to follow my path. I'm only sharing what is helping me navigate this season of my life. If you resonate with this video, comment. If you resonate with this video, subscribe. If you know somebody who might benefit from this, share. Thank you all for showing up. Thank you all for showing up. Thank you all for watching. Blessing.